Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change a URL in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to start this tutorial, you need to log in to your account first. Click on this website button below your desired website. Then go to Pages to locate the page you want to edit the URL for. Let's edit the URL of this About page. Click on Select it first, then click on this little gear icon. A new window pops up, and under URL slug, this is your current URL, and to change it, you can add it or change it as you want. After that, click on Save. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And to preview your work, click on this preview button, and let's click on this About page. And as you can see, now the URL is about to. And this is how to change your page URL in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.